we are joined by Umelusi Mbele, celebrated South African actor. His career yakhe is definitely defined by resilience yakhe and also authenticity and an unwavering commitment to icraft yakhe. Umuntu wathi cha impela ngiyakuthanda ukuactor but ake ngiqale ngiyesikoleni iqala ngiyofunda kahle kahle ukuthi kwenziwani khona ngizoyenza kahle lento engiyenzayo. Umelusi sakwabukela fethu on the uprising. Ukahle
Ngikahle kakhulu mfowethu. Ukahle wena?
Hayi sikahle mfethu sijabula nje ukubona mfethu ngamehlo enyama ngoba phela sikujwayele kumabona kuthi.
Mfowethu ngijabule ukuba lana nje. Kahle kahle mina ke I actually feel at home. Isekhaya.
Isekhaya.
Isekhaya. Sawubona sisinoni uright lapho kodwa
hayi bosumpisi lalela ngokuxoxela phela awuyeke loss ngamazi le stranger lesi ungibona nje angeke eduze kwakhe inhliziyo yami ibhlungu bese se Newcastle isama sessions and then kathiwa uyeza ngathi hayi bo ubhuti wami sebekunikele kodwa makheke netiye sompisi
mfethu lalela ngithe ngifika nje bangishaya ngecoffee mfethu ngathi ngicela nje strong black wine lithi kungivusanyana nje mfethu yabona nje ngize lana bafethu ngizongixolela ngilale nje only 2 hours. I've got my own reasons for that but nje bafethu hawe ma eThekwini ngeke
into engijabulisayo ukuthi thiwa awukhohle iloyo lapho wena ucifeza amabhathini ngayovala wonke lama mic mina manje
awukahle wena yazi uzokhokha lo muntu wena yazi bakwethu
ngedwa
hey madoda yazi kodwa bakwethu.
Listen, I'm excited to talk about your career so busy. You've worked so hard, Melusi. I've met you in a couple of lines and auditions and honestly you're probably one of the most humble people I've ever come across. Mhlambe mfethu awungahighlighte lesiqale khona la ukuthi ikuphi ekhaya mina njengosompisi ngwakamaphumulo wena wakephi.
Okay siqala kuphi uthi kubo ake sibambe la mina kahle kahle nguMelusi uMbhele usompisi lo ugodidi uNdlela uZimu uGwabini kahle kahle usompisi ubaba wangikhulisa osompisi abaphuma khona le eMnambithi ekuvukeni kahle kahle ngizalwa umshengu Shabalala igazi lami womshengu kodwa ke niyazi ke thina ukukhula kwethu kuningi ufike kwenzeke sikhula bese sigcina nje hawo uMbhele sengena ke endleleni esethi hayi no ngiyamthatha mina lo awuthi ngimkhulise ngimenze abe ngowami kahle so ngokukhula kodwa ngikhulele nje khona la eThekwini ngizalelwe khona la eThekwini uma besho kwabazali sisuka eNanda kahle wabe ngisemncane kakhulu suka eNanda endaweni ekuthiwe ematendeni
ngiyakuzwa
Newtown A bengimncane kakhulu ke ngikhuluma nje ngeNanda angiyazi nokuyazi kahle hle ukuqiniso kodwa ke ngithe mase ngiqala ukuhlakanipha mina ukuhlala ngokwazi ukuhlala bengiseverelem kunendawo ekuthiwa iCanelands sisuka ke lapho then samuva saya ko Parkgate so kahle nje ngikhule namandiya ngikhule mfethu ngidlukhari ngidle uBrian day in and day out ngiyakutshela
lapha
Govero mfethu wazi kahle lapha yana nje ziyabuya
manje when did you realize ukubona ukuthi yazi ukuthini ngiyafuna ukube actor usulaphana ke Govero urealize nini Melusi ukuthi actually this is umkhakhe ngifuna ukuthatha
wema yazi mfethu angazi ngaqala lento it's quite a long story but long story short yabona nje ukubona wenza izinto nje unganakile usesikoleni from primary school unikezwe just nje lawo ama projects lawo kuthiwa okay mhlambe today it's Harbor Day ake senze lapha yana wena you act like a tree or whatever the case so when it comes to acting ngangibona nje ukhona nyana just improvise sihlanganise lapho nalapha ngibothi hayi man lana mengishaya comedy kuyahlekwa mekuyinto serious drama bayithatha serious but not knowing ukuthi kahle at that time ukuthi nayi into nayi calling nayi into until then ukukhula ngidecide ukuthi man mhlawumbe yona into engawela ngakuyona lapho sengena ke kwisikole ekuthiwa iISSA City Campus
nice
yes
khona la eThekwini
lovely I think in fact ngeke ngayiphusha for just unyaka that was 2005 then 2006 I then decide ukuthi yazini ngoba lento yenzeka kakhulu eGoli yila ngazuthi ama office amaningi angale eGoli ngathi kuthule la eThekwini ngibe sengiwela ke mfethu ngena eGoli ngithayo bafethu aningifakeni phela nami ngenze lento khumbula ukuthi lo nyaka lo ngupusha isesa bengingafundi ngisho ne drama or anything like that. I was just learning
Stop
camera,
it.
just nje ukuedita lapha nalapha.
Okay.
Done nothing to do with anything to do with okuphambi kwecamera. Yes.
Okay.
So mangifika lapha eGoli kuvele kubhedeke izinto ezingenzeki ngoba phela khubula ukuthi angigelezelanga le Shandisi.
All right.
Uyayibona leyo.
Yeah.
Long story short, till 2010 uma ngibuya la eThekwini kube khona ishow ekuthiwa iClass Act.
Yes.
Ila izinto
Ostumo Umtshali.
ila izinto eziqala khona ke sekuba khona umnyakazo ke Ostumo Umtshali uStumo nje bekuyimina naye si represent iTheku.
Yeah.
I think besu 10 kanjena abanye abafowethu be representa nabo ama cities come I think your Cape Town oGqeberha kanjena
Different provinces basically.
Exactly. So siyiphusheke into I think iyona into ke eyakwazi ukuvula iminyango ke since then.
Nice.
But kwaba semqoko ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthola okuyisikole enyana engingakwazi ukuthi unginikeze some information ne knowledge mayelana nayo lento engena kuyona ukuthi nje ingilole nyana ilanga iba sengiba nenhlanhla khona sengingenela ama acting workshops SABC and that is now the following year which is 2011.
Awuyasho Melusi la iguest yethu namhlanje ukuthi hayi no yabona igqum eKZN eThekwini hayi bafethu nenza one nilibambi. Is this a type of music that you listen to in your spare time?
Mina ke mfethu I listen to good music.
Okay.
Any genre mfethu as long as it's good music.
Are you going to listen to
into
it?
engakutshela ngayo ukuthi nje phela ngikwazi ukucula but I'm a good listener. I can tell you that right now.
Akuvamisile ke kulesi space sakho ukuthi ungakwazi ucula bu act. I've actually realized ukuthi with most like actors and actresses bayakwazi ukucula,
Yes,
you know, so
yes.
akuvamisile so angazi noma ngiyakholwa ukuthi awukwazi ukucula.
Mfethu okwangempela mfethu okwangempela nje into nje ngikhule vele ngak-accepta
Yeah.
ukuthi yazi cha khohlwa Melusi ngisho noma kuthuso ngeke ngizame mhlawumbe ngitshontshe emva komuntu okwaziyo yabona kube ngazi ukuthi nje yabo
So Luki.
bathi nje ungangiyeki ukuthi nje awuqale lapho konakele ngicela
You know-
ukulingise.
Melusi, I smile when I think about your career journey because I think njengabantu abaningi most of us siqhamuka sesikuthanda sesikwazi kwisibaya.
Oh,
You know
yes.
that was our first big role for for us.
Oh, yeah.
Yet we've seen you on Rhythm City, we've seen you on Umuvango, and like he said earlier, ukuthi umuntu vele who does a lot of roles where you played an extra. And ukule industry, so once an extra, always an extra. But you have defied all of that, and you've not always played an extra.
Yeah.
So kuningi ngifuna ukubuza kona, but maybe how do you break the mold from being an extra to playing a lead?
I mean, again, it goes back to lento engiyade ngisho ukuthi it's very important ukuthi uhambe uyosika information about what you want to do. Especially the industry le. I always say you got to have three things, right? One which is going to be talent ozobuphiwe uNkulunkulu. Okwesibili kumele kube passion. Ngoba italent ngelihambe lilodwa kumele liphinde futhi liphushwe ile passion le ukuthi yazi ngisho noma kuthiwa uhlangabezana nanani but as long as the passion is there,
Yeah.
You still break through and strive, yabo. Thirdly, then it goes back to what I've been saying indaba knowledge.
Absolutely.
You got to seek knowledge. Not nje ukuthi nje angithi uyazi thina even nebhola mesazi ukuthi ngoba sesikwazi ukukhahlela uthupali lapha sesibona ukuthi sesingangena no Dr. Khumalo professionally lapha but in a process yonke into enziwayo you've got to follow leyo process leyo. So I think konke lokho kungisizile kakhulu ekutheni ukuthi ngiqale from the bottom njengobusho from being an extra and that on its own level nayo ye information engayigaina from just doing that ubuka from behind ukuthi okay benza njani labantu kwenzakalani. So you've got to start from somewhere.
It was part of the process.
It was part of the process.
Yeah.
So ngila ngikhona njengamanje because there was that foundation la ngiqale khona rather than just having to ukuthi now sengithola lead and then I'm just thrown into a deep end sekumele ngibhukude angisazi ngenze njani kanti it's best that you start from the bottom and work your way up. No.
So I got to spend time nalensizwa mfethu uMelusi izolo besimenywe lapha no Netflix. We had such an amazing day.
Oh, yeah.
Njoba athi yena ulala 2 hours mina cishe mhlawumbe ngibamba u4.
wangishiya mfowethu yazi hizi wangishiya awusangiqwebi uthi hayibo asiyolala siyasebenza kusasa
ngibona iqala le game ukuthi khona la ibheke khona uthi ngibalele mfethu uyazi kunento esiphatha kabuhlungu as abantu abathanda umsebenzi wenu esivamise ukuyibona kumabona kude whereby nizofika act bese nithola leyo mali nitholayo right but you know after years you know uthola ukuthi lento kade uact ke nosuyiholelile uyaphela nemali yakhona iphinde iqhamuke futhi siyadlala elsewhere kuba igenerate imali but bese sithola ukuthi wena njengomuntu kade uact leyo nto awusayithola ingxenye lo mali. So where I'm going at is that what's your take on the issue that South African actors and actresses are going through in terms of my royalties and so on?
Oh yeah, hey mfethu thinta enye topic ke manje it's quite a sensitive one. I'm sure South Africa siyazi ukuthi sibhekane nani as actors njengoba usho ama royalties thina siwatholi asifani nama musicians la kwaziwa khona ukuthi I know at the end of the day you get your royalties for into oyisebenzele kahle kahle what you deserve uyangithola ngikhuluma nawe nje kumanje it's just that thina ugovernment akazange siregulate kunenkinga esibhekane nayo njengamanje sikhala ngayo so ama act ukuthi guys please I mean lozwayo from kulabo bantu abasiphethe ukuthi can at least upresident avuma ukuthi asayine le bill ukuthi sikwazi nathi ukuthi siregulate because at the end of the day guys honestly speaking we do pay our tax I mean every month and you get that 25% deduction
serious man
I promise you
yeah.
So ngisikhuluma ngokuthi nathi we do play a part ekutheni ukuthi kwazi ukuthi izinto zenzeke but now in return we ain't getting anything right now yabo so asitatshangelwa ufana ukuthi nje uyishayele lo torho usebenze of which at the end of the day into esenzayo mfethu it makes impact enkulu emphakathini.
I think we all saw that in COVID. How important the industry
big
is.
Time.
Acting,
big
music
time.
and so on, yeah.
Big time because I mean the stories that we tell we make sure ukuthi it is relevant ethinta umphakathi ngendlela ehlukile siyafundisa I mean in so many ways ngakubala kube kuningi but at the end of the day naku kudlalwa ngathi so siyababona abafowethu kuyabheda yes obviously nathi sesizozama siyabantu ngoba ngeke sisale I mean manje sekumele uzuphusheke ukuthi kumele uhambe uyokwenza izinye izinto obukade ngivela ungadalula ukuthi uzenze ngenxa ukuthi now you need to hustle
umpintshekile
I mean it's them then we need to take care of our kids there's so many things that we need to do we need this money to live but I mean sizame nokuphusha nebusiness lapha nalapha but nayi into la esizama ukuthi siyikhulise sifocus kuyona of which we feel like we've been robbed.
Yeah. Quick one. I need to ask this. Do you think mhlambe bekuthiwa and mhlambe khona and you can educate me on this one. It's just that I don't know whether it exists. Ukuthi mhlambe abalingisi do have a union or not and mhlambe it's because of no unions being present ukuthi sithola sila sikhona njengabalingisi in this country.
In fact ikhona oh my goodness now ingqondo yami ayisebenzi kahle ngenxa I'm trying to remember the name maybe you guys might help me.
I forgive you.
Ikhona I hope ngizoyikhumbula manje in just a minute but we do have a platform la ukuthi bazama ukuthi bakhulumisane with iminyango le ekuyiyona right kumele sinokhe kuyona njengamanje I mean guys we've seen what's been happening years back with generations right abantu bazama ukuthi bazama ukuhlanganisa iunion but I mean kwazama ukuhlakazwa yonke leyo nto leyo nje kwangazi exactly yeah so we still there trying to build this thing ekutheni ukuthi sibe sonke ndawonye I'm just trying to remember the name
it's okay
it's okay working right now
Googleisha vet
it just came to mind Saga that's the one
well
Saga
2 hours we are seventh but anyway my brother wait what can we expect coming into 2026 and also where can we find you on social media as we wrap up?
Okay, last one, social media nguMelusi Mpele on all socials Melusi Mpele and then njengamanje ikhona projects engisaphezulu kwayo ebengiqeda nje ukushootha manje like last past 2 weeks.
Nice.
Yeah, kusakwi post okwamanje, and then njengoba sazi ke besifinalize indaba ka season 3 yoShaka, but ke akukho kuningi engakwazi ukukhuluma ngakho kwamanje yabo, but yeah okwamanje those are the only 2 projects ebengisabhizi ngakho kwamanje.
Okay.
Yep.
Akukho okuningi ongakusho kodwa 2 projects obhizi ngawo. Ngiyakuzwa, ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah, otherwise I cha.
Ngiyakuzwa Golide.
Ngiyonakala. Angeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma okuningi.
Thank you so much for this cut sakho ne.
Yeah, ngiyabonga bafethu. Thank you so much.